Welcome.
Glad you're here.
We are happy you're watching.
And we welcome you all to
Physics with a Bang.
Bang.
All right. Oh. Ah!
Well, Physics with a Bang is a show that we've been putting on for the past 16 or 17 years now for the audience throughout Chicago, where we bring in all sorts of students, their parents, their grandparents, to
People from the neighborhood.
People from the neighborhood, so that we can show them why physics is so much fun.
I think the best thing that could happen is for people to walk out of one of these lectures and go, how did they do that?
And isn't physics fun?
We'd love to have them respond basically viscerally, which often could be a little joy scream, possibly, or
oohs
laughter.
And ahs.
Oohs and ahs. Well, you know, we're colleagues, same department, same university.
Our labs are across the hall from each other. We knew that we enjoyed doing these demonstrations in our classes, and we thought, wouldn't it be fun to put them all together into one amazing show?
So what we try to show, especially with this event, are things that you wouldn't necessarily see with your naked eye. And that's another reason for doing it and getting excited about it, is bring out our research cameras and show things that happen at really, really fast speeds, and then play them back slowly for you, and the whole world opens up.
A number of our students and postdocs have gone on and continued this and brought it to other places. Everyone, once they get a taste of it,
It sticks with you, right?
It sticks with you.